guys, welcome back. We are at the ORR farm.
We're just gonna be showing around the rides, the mazes, and all that.
We'll get back to you guys when we're back in there. Bye.
I'll scan it right here for you. Alright, you had two? Okay, I found them. Thank you.
Thank you. Made it in, guys. What we're basically doing today is just like bringing y'all on for the vlog and stuff. We'll like be playing games, take y'all around the farm, like giving y'all the whole experience, I guess.
Yeah, but we're gonna start with the games now.
Yeah, we'll start with the games and then we'll show y'all what we're doing and then go on from there. Look at her, she's freaking mad. Look at her. Look at that little ant on the road. Look at that little ant on the road. Freaking ant. You freaking.
Okay, so this last year we played. I think I did better last year, so I'm gonna show him up this year. So basically, grab both the kids. Oh, what the heck? Oh, that's for that one. What the heck is wrong with it? I need your help. Okay.
It sucks. Let me show you how it's done.
1 hour later.
That's how you do it.
Forgot. I wanted to do outfit check. Converse, jeans. Do I say where they're from?
No.
No? Okay. Converse, jeans, sweaters, okay, and hat. And hat.
And what I'm wearing is random Nike shoes, jeans, Levi jeans, hoodie, and a hat.
Are we matching, guys?
And that's about it.
Are we twinning? Are we twinning? What is that?
What is it?
Is that normal?
Okay, let's go. So here at the, what do they call it? ORR or OR?
I think so.
So I think it's OR. But they have a basketball. They have a basketball game. We'll do 15 seconds on the clock, on timer, and then whoever makes the most in 15 seconds, I guess, wins.
Yeah. So, let's see
Wait,
who
who's
wins.
going first?
Me.
Rock, paper, scissors.
First try. First try.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, he's going first.
I'm going.
Go. Time.
No way.
How
What the
sorry
heck?
you did?
I got 2.
2?
What the heck? Set. Go.
No, I don't have a ball.
Well, restart. Ready? Set, go. That's time. Time.
Whatever.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. Go. Time.
Ready? Set, go. That's time.
What?
I won for a square.
He says he won.
I did.
I think the next game's a tiebreaker. Whatever. Next, we're gonna go to.
Let's go to that bikes.
What's
Remember
down there?
remember the bikes?
Is it there?
Yeah.
Is it still there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope so. I don't know.
Try my first.
And then remember this, the slide?
Yeah, we're gonna do that for sure.
We'll get back to that once we're at the bikes. This is where she almost fell last year. Oh, you did fall no?
No.
You spun out?
No.
They have like this like brakes. And I remember last year I was like drifting-ish. Just like going fast and then like hitting the brakes. And then she tried to do it.
I never fell though.
And she's going and she hits the brakes. And then she almost like flips over. And you almost flipped over another dude.
Almost.
And you flipped a little kid. Like this is a family farm, so there's just little kids and stuff. So what we're gonna do here is race. Come on. Wait, stand right here. Ready? First one do 3 laps, and then we stop right here in front of the barn again. Okay?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, my legs already go. Why am I going in zigzag? I'm gonna be behind him.
Alright, that's one. Respect it.
Oh, I feel so goofy doing it. I'm not joking. The entire time I was complaining. My legs are so sore.
You're so freaking out of shape.
I am. Hello.
Okay, guys, so I'm 2 for 2 for the games. She freaking sucks. She can't.
That one, I was at a disadvantage. You know
Oh, I'm
that.
tired. She almost threw up just because she pedaled 3 times,
No,
3
I'm
rounds.
sick, first of all.
Okay, I'm sick too. My throat hurts. We have the same sickness right now. Just a normal cold. And she's crying over that.
You're
You can
lying.
do that.
We're about to do this.
Oh yeah, we're about to. It's like a donut. And you just go down. Yeah, it's pretty steep too. So hopefully they let us take the camera and stuff so we can record. We'll get back to y'all if we are allowed to record. All right, let's go. It's our turn, guys. All right, it's our turn, guys.
Why did this turn out as a freaking workout? What the heck?
She's so weak. Why are you so weak?
You should have.
Stop eating.
Oh my gosh.
I'm getting a little nervous.
This is pretty high up. I don't know why. It's high up as heck. Oh, what the? What? Hey, I told you your phone.
3, 2. Run.
What the heck? I hit my freaking tooth.
What the heck? That's... You screamed and you hit your tooth?
It hurt so bad. Did I chip it?
Where?
Is it bleeding? It hurts so bad. It's aching so bad.
No. Now you good.
Let me see. Let me see.
You good?
This music slaps. This music slaps.
Yeah, she's so freaking dramatic. She's such a liability. You're such a liability.
We're gonna do zip line now. This won't be a competition.
Yeah. Okay, so Lily's about to go on to the next one. Look, you can probably see her in the shadow. I don't know if you guys can see her. Right there. She's about to go on it, so let's see how she does. Here she comes. Here she comes. Now it's my turn to go on the zip line, so cut to me going on the zip line.
Rolo's turn. Rolo's turn. What the heck? His fat butt is hitting the ground. Hey, was it just me, or is your butt so fat it was touching the ground? What the?
Mine?
Did you see that?
My butt was touching the
Did you
ground?
see that?
No, I thought I was
You
gonna
wanna
hit
sit
the.
down
No,
real quick?
I was going so fast. I thought I was gonna hit the literally smack off it, and then it stopped me. So
No, I thought my back was about to hit it. Okay, so I think we're gonna go to the lights now, aka the maze as well, but we have to go through the lights to get to the maze.
The lights look beautiful. Like we'll show y'all.
The maze might be so hard though, because
yeah, it's nighttime too.
Nighttime, and that's what I wanted. We might film some TikToks down there, so make sure you guys go to our TikTok page.
Yep.
It should be in the bio, so make sure you guys do that. And then hopefully you guys are from there. If you watch this, make sure you subscribe. Anyways, we'll see you guys at the maze.
Yeah. Oh, well, actually, we'll go to the lights first and then the maze. Or do you want to go to the lights last?
We might do the lights last and do like a cinematic, like thing.
Yeah. Blah blah.
Oh, that's cute. We're definitely taking photos here.
100%.
We're at the farm now.
Oh, well, we've been at the farm. We're actually at the maze now.
Yeah, we're at the maze. As you can tell, there's pumpkins behind us. But we've been taking photos, so we're gonna go into the maze and then we're gonna make something fun out of it. We're gonna use our flashlights.
Yeah, it's pretty dark in there, so.
Yeah, we're gonna have to use our flashlights.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see how it turns out. But we're gonna finish up taking photos and then we're also gonna do our TikTok. So we'll see you guys there.
We made it to the back. Now we're gonna split up. Don't get lost. If some dude talks to you, let me know. Okay?
If what?
Some dude talks to you and like punches you and all that. Like scream, babe.
Okay.
But we'll go to the front. Like from here, we'll split up and go 2 ways. If you get to the front, just wait on the other person.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay?
It seems like you already knew this maze. So
I don't.
It seems like a scam.
I don't.
It's whatever. Okay.
Ready?
Can I go on first?
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, I'm going first.
Set. Go.
See? Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna twist my ankle. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go behind her. I'm gonna follow her. And I'm gonna try to scare her. So let's go.
I hit a dead end. I heard to always go right. Like no matter what, if you go right. Oh wait, no, that leads in circles, huh?
She's over here. I don't know if you guys can see me, but
I haven't seen anybody, but when I was with him, we were seeing like a ton of people. I don't know. I feel paranoid now. Okay, we'll go over here.
I'm following her. Be quiet, guys.
Okay, I just went through like a ton of people. I feel like this is a good time. I feel like I'm on the very far right of the maze. So if I start turning left, I should be able to see people. Oh, you're crazy. Stop, I see you. You're so lame. You're lame. Stop. You're about to look like an idiot. Where are you? You're right there. Wait, is that him? Oh my gosh. No, it's not.
Keep going. Keep going.
Stop, you're right there. You're a creep. You're a creep. You're not at the front. You're cheating. You're cheating. I'm gonna get to the front. I see you. That's what you look like. Guys, he's literally cheating. He's cheating. Let go. You're such a cheater. Guys, I actually made it. I was the one that actually made it. He's such a freaking cheater, bro. What took you, cheater, so long?
What took you so long? Now, we're on the train now, guys. We're taking videos for TikTok. This basically could be a TikTok video. Look at her. got off the train ride. I think that's gonna be it.
It was so peaceful.
I think that's gonna be it for today's video. We brought you along for the
just for the day.
the farm experience. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. What do they say? What do the YouTubers say? Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Bye.